If Prezi is not loading for you, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can usually solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. This is especially helpful if Prezi is stuck on a loading screen, not opening your file, or just keeps spinning forever. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Now, the first thing to understand is that a regular refresh often is not enough. If the browser has broken cached data, the page may keep loading the same bad files again and again. So instead of clicking refresh, you want to force your browser to completely re-download the page. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and R together, or you can also use Ctrl and F5. This is called a hard refresh, and it tells the browser to ignore the old stored version and pull in a fresh copy of the page. After you do that, check whether Prezi loads normally. If it still does not load, the next step is to open an incognito or private browsing window. This is a really useful test because it opens the browser without using your usual cookies, extensions, or saved browsing data. So open a private window, log into your Prezi account, and try opening the file again. If Prezi loads immediately in the private window, that is a strong sign that the problem is not with Prezi itself. Instead, your normal browser profile probably has a corrupted cookie or cache file. In that case, you do not need to clear everything from your browser. Go into your browser settings and clear the cache for just the last 24 hours. That way, you remove the broken data without wiping out more browsing history or saved information than necessary. Once that is done, go back and try Prezi again in your regular browser window. If the issue is still happening, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Ad blockers and privacy extensions can sometimes interfere with how Prezi loads, especially if they block scripts, tracking elements, or embedded content. So temporarily disable any ad blocker, privacy tool, or script blocking extension you have installed, then refresh Prezi and test it again. If Prezi starts working after disabling an extension, then you know exactly what caused the issue. You can turn the extension back on and adjust its settings, or leave it disabled when using Prezi. If none of these steps fix it, it may be worth trying another browser as a final test, but in most cases, the hard refresh, private window check, cache cleanup, and extension check will solve the loading problem. So to recap, first do a hard refresh with Ctrl plus Shift plus R or Ctrl plus F5 on Windows, then try Prezi in an incognito or private window. If that works, clear the cache for the last 24 hours in your normal browser. Finally, check for ad blockers or privacy extensions that might be stopping Prezi from loading properly. I hope this helped you fix Prezi not loading. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.